Design is everywhere, from the chair you're sitting on to the app you just opened. In OCAD University's Industrial Design program, you'll learn how to solve real-world problems with creativity, empathy, and innovation. You'll study how people live, move, work, and connect. Then design smarter systems, better tools, and more sustainable products for daily life. From furniture to digital services, wellness products to wearable tech, you'll learn how to shape solutions that are both beautiful and functional. This is a recognized studio-based program where you'll combine theory and hands-on practice. Guided by leading designers and thinkers in the field, our grads work across industries, designing consumer goods, digital services, sustainable systems, and everything in between. You'll learn from leading designers, connect across disciplines, and join a network of award-winning alumni shaping what's next. If you're ready to design with impact, this is where you start with OCAD U's Industrial Design program.